Hey, it's Derek with Net Gain Property Management. Lesson 16 that I've learned. We've talked previously a little bit about the importance of mental health and the role that it plays and the impact it can have on those in poverty and the lack of resources. For this lesson, I want to go into a little bit greater detail. So, the lack of resources not only impacts those that are struggling on a day-to-day basis, but also those that are in crisis. It's amazing as you talk to different people, how many people now, because there's no resource available for those in emergency that realistically are being sent to the emergency room or going themselves to the emergency room to receive crisis mental health intervention. And that's not always the best place. They're not adept for that level of crisis. So those resources are pretty, like the lack of resources are pretty bad and pretty damning. So this week's plan of action, there we go, is to reach out to Roots Counseling and Milton McLelland, because he's heading a committee that is working to bring a 23-hour emergency mental health facility here to town. They're just starting the process of it, and it would be huge and massive to our community. It'll help law enforcement. It'll help those that just are in a major emergency be able to receive the help that they need quickly to get the intervention and be able to help get themselves back on track. So there's lesson 16.